hope the stream's not too far behind. I should have changed the delay because it's gonna start off awful, isn't it? Huh? Oh well, fuck it. It's going. Can't do anything. I should have done low latency or ultra low latency. Oh well. Anyway, we are about to build the memory game project. Where did I put the XD file is the question though. It's in Discord, so I think I can just download it out of there. Actually, no, it's in Google Docs, so I can just get out of that. Love this song. Alright, so give me 1 sec, just downloading the XD file, and then we're gonna open this up, and then we need we can close the downloads, we can close, yeah, we don't need that anymore. Alright, so this is what we're building here, okay? We're gonna try and do level 3. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. I don't know why I thought I could do this in like an hour or something, but it's gonna be a memory game. You click on a card, it flips over, and displays a random picture of a dog, and then you try and match it up, and you get points, and you have 60 seconds, the timer counts down. There's a lot of work. It's gonna take a couple hours. I need a timer. All right, so stop watch, right? Boom, there we go. And hold on, I think I should get, I use the GitHub desktop GUI sometimes. Does that make me a bad developer? I don't think so. I just like that it lists all my repos here already for me. Monthly memory game project. I think I'm gonna make a new one. So create new pod, memory game project live. So that'll be the live stream one. Create repo. Code that, and then we got it up there. We don't need command prompt anymore. We don't need this little thing anymore. We're going to publish that actually. I don't need that private though. Gotta get my commit in for today. Analytics for the live stream. There we go. So we can close that out. All right. I think we're good to go. So let's get our stopwatch ready. All right. So we need index.html. We need scripts.js. We need styles.css. I think that's it. And then if we do HTML5, actually, wait, is it just an exclamation point? Boom! I love Emmet. I found out about Emmet like a few months ago, or yeah, 2 months ago. I didn't know that was a thing for like the first 6 months I was a dev, which is awful. So that'll be memory game project. All right, so where is the mock-up? All right, we're gonna go ahead and do level 1 first, and then level 2, and then level 3, huh? Think that work? Yeah, I think that'll work. So actually, no, we're just gonna start off with level 3 because I don't want to have to refactor stuff. So that'll be a div, and then we'll have 3 things inside that. So we're gonna do div, and then directly inside that we want 3 other divs, right? Yeah, that'll work. Wait, did I hit 2 or 3? Times. There we go. Div times 3. All right, cool. So this will be class. I could have put classes on these, but oh well. I hope this song repeats a lot. You guys are gonna get super annoyed by this song. It's been 3 minutes, or almost 4 minutes already. Yeah, this song repeats. Cool. All right, so what do we need? What do we call this? This is gonna be the header container. This is gonna be timer. This is gonna be title, and this is gonna be points, right? So that's like an H3. We got like a P10. tag with the 0 there. And then in this one, we're gonna have an H1 with the memory. Does it say memory or memory game? It just says memory. Okay, cool. And then in points, we're gonna do the H3 again. Points. And then below that, we'll have a P tag. It just says 0 for now because there's no points. Did my stream stop? Oh no, we're good. Cool. Got my Alive adaptogenic tea. Trying to be healthy. I'm addicted to caffeine. I need to stop drinking caffeine. That doesn't have caffeine in it, but I just wanted to let you guys know I'm addicted to caffeine. Awesome, my song restarts, so I don't have to worry about copyright music. So we got that part done. Now we need, we're just gonna make like one square. Game container. How should we make it? Should it just be it'll be a div, right? And, okay, yeah, so it's gotta be a div, and then we'll have a div inside that's class front, and then we'll have another div inside that's class back. And then we're eventually gonna have to make that part in JavaScript. This would be so much more fun in React. Why did I put the limitation that this has to be in vanilla JavaScript? Oh well. Alright, so let's go ahead and save that, and then where's script src scripts.js, and we're also going to import not React, but what's it called? Ajax? No. jQuery. CDM. Yeah, because I want to be able to use jQuery's Ajax thing. Come on, copy the whole thing. There we go. What? They did not. Oh god. Not good that was copied on here, so I'm going to paste it over here first, make sure I got it. Nope. Why is it not copying to my clipboard? What's going on here? Copy. Alright, there we go. Now we got it. And then we're going to go over here, and we're going to do jQuery. Or, yeah, we can just do $, right? What should we do to test this? What's something we have on the document? Let's get timer. Add class is working. Woohoo! I don't want to close it, I want to save it. There we go. Now when we open with live server, port that, so if we just do... Alright, what's up? Cool. Don't need that anymore. And then we added up to time, right? Yeah, cool. So if we inspect that, this should have class. It doesn't. Round 1. I'm probably not importing the script correctly, so let's just try just doing that right there. Would that work maybe? I don't know. It's been a while since I've had to import a script like this before manually. src Wait, what? Oh my gosh, I'm being a noob right now. So, don't show that again, because I know what port it's on. What's up, Edwin? Mountain. It's so weird to call you Edwin. Your name's just Mountain to me now. Forever. Actually, if we just do, fuck that, we're gonna make sure it's connected. Console log connected. I'm such a noob. Alright, cool, it was connected. So now, close that, because we don't need that. We're gonna need another div that is the start screen. You are, aren't you? Snap. You have the same name as Mountain? That's cool. My bad. I got you guys mixed up. Yeah, what's up, Cat? What's up? I know you want attention. I gotta build stuff though. I gotta grow and become a better developer. Why is that open? Oh, because this one's not closed, okay. Start screen, that'll just have a button that's... It says start. Cool. And then in here, we need to hide header, no, we need to hide game container until start screen is displayed. And then we also need to round one. So let's, how are we gonna organize our style sheet here? So this is gonna be like header. I like making giant flags that make parts of my style sheet easily identifiable for me. And this isn't centered and it bothers me, so we need to like cut a few of those out, paste those over here, cut like 3 more out, paste those right there. That'll work. And then we can just copy this part and have 3. So we're gonna have start screen. And then we're gonna have game container. Are there any other parts? Do we need to have a windscreen? Was that one of the things on here? Yeah, it's gotta have a windscreen that says you scored blank points. So we'll add 1 more of those in here. Oh wait, it's not the windscreen, it's game over screen. Cool. So my bit rate's lower than the recommended bit rate. It's garbage. Do not pay $44 a month for internet for this trash. That's not what I wanted. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and find whatever the API is we were gonna use for the dog thing. I've issued an official apology for you, Edwin. We're at 12 minutes. All right, So what was I about to do? Yeah, find the dog API. So this is what's going to be on the back of the cards for our memory game. Some of the pictures are sideways. That's annoying, but whatever. It looks like most of them are just straight up and down, so maybe we'll get lucky and just get up and down pictures. Let's see. So we want jQuery, Ajax, request, because I'm too lazy to write or remember how that works. No, where is the thing? This thing. This is what I want here. And then we need that in a sec, so we're going to throw that in there. And then we're going to grab this, not the fetch part, we just want the URL. And then where are we going to put that? We're going to put that in the back, game container.back, right? Actually, we can just do back. I need to console log the result because I just want to see what that prints out for us. Did that not work? Not found. Favicon, what? Where's that coming from? You're welcome. It's all for you, man. It's all for you. Why isn't this working? I need to learn more about APIs for sure. Brown Stack Overflow, help me get the answer of the stuff I need. Now let's try this one instead. I'm a glorified copy and paster. Don't unindent it. I don't want that. Why is this one red? Oh, we need a new song. Oh, this is getting old. Type get data. I don't think I need that. Data type JSON success alert that. That'll work. Perfect. Cool. Why is this not working? It worked. Why is it saying Ajax is not a function? Do I have to import Ajax or something? Round one. All right. Ajax not working. Google, help me. Why is that red? Alright, cat, I'm gonna need you to move. I can't see my screen, bud. Yeah, you're cute. Where's the answer? Neither of these answers here help me. The problem was I was using a slim build of jQuery, which... Really? I didn't know that. That's what I'm using. jQuery CDN. So apparently the slim version of jQuery has Ajax removed. So I just need to CDN the non-slim version. Now, it's got the data object there, so instead of console, ow, you clawed me, you little cat, just sit in my lap and don't get in the way, okay? Don't you step on the keyboard. I need you to just not get in the way, okay? I'm trying to stream here. want to I want to stringify. Do I need to stringify that, or is it just gonna be an object again? Oh, it's not. Okay, cool. So it's got the URL there. So now we just need to get message and then use that as the image src. It's gonna be blank, and then the class will be image back, or just like back image, yeah? Alright. I know you want attention. Why are you so needy? Why can't you just be like Jax and just sleep? I have 2 cats, guys. Is that weird? Alright, so scripts, and then that's good to go. And then actually on success, we're gonna grab, I can change that back to a $sign. Back image, adder, src, no wait. Oh my gosh, quit.
Round 1.
I am a champion Googler. That's what I was gonna do, but I just want to make sure that's right. Okay, cool. Data dot message, right? Is that what it was? Not working now. Game container div back data dot message. We don't actually want it to be a string. We want the actual variable. That'll work. There we go, got our dog picture, and then if we refresh, we get a new dog picture. So, making progress. Now we just need to hide this part until you press start. So we're gonna do... Hold on, I gotta feed my cat so I'll stop being annoying. Alright, my bad. Oh! Alright, so we want to grab the game container. Actually, we want to grab the start button and then on click. Yes, 100%, Brandon. If one day Stack Overflow went down, I would suck at my job. So we're gonna do const start button. Okay, cool. Equals document dot. One of the requirements for this was to only use a vanilla JavaScript, huh? I said that in a video, but I'm gonna use Ajax here anyway, so whatever. Document dot query select door. And then we're gonna grab that. And then we're gonna do start button. Wow, that is a big picture. We gotta set a max width on these things. JavaScript on click, right? Is it just dot on click? No, it's add event listener on click. I'm getting jQuery mixed up with this. We're gonna do this. And we're gonna grab the game container. Actually, I'm just gonna make that a global variable here. And then right here we'll do game container dot show, because I No, I wanted to do show because we're gonna use, I can't use jQuery. We're gonna do adder display, wait, that's not an attribute. Is it style, right? Display equals none. No, actually, we want that to be initial. And then we want to copy that. And right there, we're gonna do start button, display none. Dude, I want to do that. I just don't know what projects I would put on GitHub for the community to work on. Because I feel like it'd have to be pretty big. But I've been thinking about that a lot, and I want to try to do something. Because I know how much you want to do that. Like, you've been contributing to Mountains projects and stuff. Alright, so now when we click on the start button, it should hide the start button and display game container. But we have to go right here, and we're gonna do game container, whoop, display none. Oh, it's already displayed none. Wait, why is that other picture showing up then? Huh? Where's game container? Display, because we didn't link up the style sheet, duh. Link src equals styles CSS rel style sheet. Is that right? Is that all we do? I haven't linked up something in so long. It's just all linked up automatically the way we do it. So it's not working right. Hold on. God, I'm being a noob. GitHub. This is my GitHub if you guys want to be friends or something. Alright. JS Dev Project 9. Where's the index HTML? Link. Rel style sheet. href, not src. Stupid. Come on. Come on, Garrett. What are you doing, man? I wonder why that's different. Why did they do href and then src? Why isn't it just all href? Alright, so click is not working. Start, I didn't spell start button right, so there's that. If you have any ideas on what kind of project we could build as a community, I'm all ears. Like, that'd be cool. Alright, where was that? So going to scripts. Start. Spelling errors will always be one of the biggest things you have to worry about. Oh, look at that poodle. It's an ugly poodle. Oh, that's a German Shepherd. That thing's cute. Alright, one more. Ooh, that's like a fox-looking dog. I like it. You guys know you can get domestic foxes, or domesticated foxes? They're like kind of domesticated. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and grab this and then style it real quick because I want that to look pretty. So display, flex, width, 100%. Does that make it stretch across? Cool. Background, blue. We need to get rid of the body's margin. Here we'll do we don't need that body. Margin 0, padding 0, right? And then box sizing, border box. We want that in there. Cool. All right. What's up? Did it just reload and then keep the stuff I added here? That's really cool. Space, I like spaced evenly, that'll work. So we're just gonna take that and we're gonna grab this color right here because this is a way less intense blue than what I have. And then we need to make the text white. So that is the header container. So right here, header container, That is bueno. Now if we just refresh, our start button's there, so we need to make this centered real quick.
Round 1.
Wait, no, we need display, flex, justify content, center, align items. Actually, we'll just do margin top, 25%. That's too much. Let's do like 100 pixels. That'll work. And that is on the start screen. And I messed up the class right there. I'm sorry, I have the stuff I'm working on over here. Gallows game. I have not heard about that. What is that? Let's Google that real quick. Oh, a Hangman game? Oh yeah, dude. I'm down. Oh my gosh, we could get Acha to do some cool SVGs for it. Did you see the SVG she put in the chat the other day? Like, she's got some pretty good SVG skills there. Alright, I keep getting distracted. Close that tab, go back to the comments here. I just need to focus. We're at 30 minutes. I think we're making good time. Got our start button centered, our start button's gone, our dog's right there. So, oh, we set start button to display on, not start screen, right? So we just need to get start screen, and then on our scripts, we'll do start screen. I keep leaving off the T. Document, query, selector, start screen. There's got to be some spell check plugin that'll fix everything for me, so I don't have to worry about these mistakes. Alright, so now when we click this, dog picture appears there. Cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and what text did we use here? We're going to import the fonts. Montserrat, so Google fonts, Montserrat. This is my favorite font, mostly because it's the only one that I could find that looked good in the original stuff I was using to make thumbnails. Customize. Alright, we want, what fonts are we using here? 1. Oh, it just doesn't automatically add the assets over here? Interesting. Because usually at work, it'll have like the font sizes and everything right there. I guess the designers add that manually, so hats off to my designers for being awesome. So it's bold on everything, so that's all we need is Montserrat bold. Bold, alright. And then we'll embed, grab all, nope, not everything, just that part. And then scripts, back to the index, we'll add that right there. And then styles, we'll add that font family. What is going on? Oh, okay, cool. Font weight, bold. So now this should be bold, I think. All right, cool. The H1 needs to be, what, 120? Is that what it was? Yeah, 120. The H3 needs to be 45. We should probably do like M's or something like that. Why did it not change? Did I spell font weight wrong? Oh yeah, it's font size. Dude, I was having like a caffeine withdrawal this morning. I had a headache. I didn't want to do anything. I just laid on the couch and watched House for like 3 hours, and then I was like, all right, I'm gonna drink some pre-workout and go work out. And now I'm good. You should make a video about how to use XD. I never heard about. I should, dude. I'll probably do that because after this, I'm gonna make another XD file for the monthly project for October, and then I'll make a video on how to use XD and how to download the files and just some like basic stuff. I'm not super good at making stuff in XD yet. That's another reason I'm doing these monthly projects. I can't FaceTime right now, Audrey. Go away. What was I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna do that though. This has like reishi mushroom, chaga mushroom, turkey tail, and like mint leaves. So it's kind of like minty. It's delicious. All right, so, and then we want the color to be white, because that's the only text on there. Wow, that is really big. I need to align items center and then change the margin on that a little bit too, right? All right, we can't do white on everything because the background text isn't going to be white, or like the you win or game over. That stuff's not going to be white. So there's that. We need the P text. We need that to be white. All right, cool. Wait, with this live server thing, can I like save the changes I make in the inspector to my style sheet, I wonder? That'd be super convenient and awesome. Align items center. There we go. What has the margin? The H1? Let's do like 25 pixels maybe. That'll work. H1 that. And then what else do we add? Something to the flex in the header here. We did align items center. All right, there we go. Now we just gotta fix the P's, but we're gonna worry about that in a sec. We're gonna make that like 80 view height instead. Cool. God, it is so nice to not have to hit refresh every time. It just automatically updates when I save. I can't wait to change up our workflow at work. He's a cute little doggo. I'm way too into the picture of the dogs. All right, so we need levels. So instead of the start button, we need to have different levels. We might just do level 1 and have like a set number of boxes, because I don't have all day to work on this. I have some other stuff I have to do, and this is taking a little bit longer than I thought. So we're gonna go ahead and like hard code the boxes. No, we're not gonna hard code the boxes. We're gonna loop in JavaScript, right? So we've got the game container already. So if we grab the game container, that's this thing. And then we need this right here, right? Yeah, because that's each individual card. Dog card, okay. And then we can just use that as like a template literal. Game container. Why did that not import with my indentations correctly? All right, hold on. Sorry, I have to reply to the Snapchat real quick. Because it's like code and live stream. And then after, Audrey's gonna come hang out. Alright. So, we need game container back. Why did I delete that? What am I doing here? Actually, it won't be too hard to make levels. Can I get admin mon in chat? So when one day you become famous, developer YouTube, I'm like, look, I'm admin. Yeah, you can throw that on your resume. I was thinking about it, dude. I'm thinking about it. We'll see. I gotta grow a little bit more because I don't know. We'll see. You've been helping out a lot. I like it. You and Mountain, y'all are my boys. And then Elvin Vitar. I'm butchering the name, but I like him too. You guys are like my OGs, kind of. Hold on, we need to see if we can change up this music real quick. Where's my music? There we go. What else do I have that's not copyrighted? Everything in my album is copyrighted. Dang it. We're just gonna keep the music going and just put it on lower. Alright. Actually, I'm not gonna get that many views on this. I can go ahead and play copyrighted music. Is there a downside to having copyrighted music besides not being able to, like... Did they put ads in my videos? Like, I can't monetize my videos yet. But if I play copyrighted music, did they go ahead and put ads on it? Because I hate ads, but I want to make money. But I can't make money yet, so I'm just gonna stop talking about it, whatever. All right, back to the code, because that's what we need to work on. So we got game container, and we need to do we'll go ahead and delete what's in game container here. All right, sweet. Thanks for letting me know. We're gonna comment that out because we don't need that. We're gonna dynamically add those. Var let I equals 0, I less than level, and then what the heck was that? There we go. I plus plus, right? And then that needs to be right there. And then we're gonna have to make multiple Ajax requests, right? Depending on how many cards we have. So right off the bat, we're gonna have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Quit calling me, I'm trying to live stream. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 12, 18, so 18 boxes off the bat. So we'll just do let, because level could change, right? Level equal, we're not doing that, right? 6, 12, 18. Yeah, dude, sounds good. We will get you to 4,000. Thanks, dude. I appreciate you. See you on Discord. So yeah, that'll be 18. So that, and then in here, maybe if we just have like, actually that's gonna be changing, so I think we'll do let cards equal a blank array. No, I don't need that. I can just append each one to game container. Append is a thing in JavaScript, right? I'm not getting that mixed up with Python, right? Append is a method. Yep, that's right. Cool. Being a noob. And then I can append a template literal. So I'll just put that right there, indent that because I want my code to look pretty. And that'll be the end of our append thing. And then src, instead of putting that right here, we're gonna set so the AJAX request is in here. I need to make data like a, do I need to make data a global variable? It's only in the AJAX scope, right? Let's test that real quick. Console, nope. Console. How do I spell console? Shoot. Console log test, right? And then if we do actually, why am I making a new variable? It's just console log data. And then that should not work, right? It should be console log data is not defined, okay? So I'm gonna need to run this how many times? If there's 18 cards divided by 2, so we need to run the AJAX call 12 times. Basically, that's probably not a very efficient way to do that. There's got to be a way I can request like 12 pictures at one time instead of having 18 separate AJAX calls. But I'm too lazy to do that right now, so we're just gonna make 12 separate AJAX calls. And then every time I make an AJAX call, I need to store the picture in a variable and then use that twice for 2 cards. And then if we want the cards to be random, I can't just append them because then they'd be in an order. I have to pee real quick. Give me 1 second. All right. All right, so we're gonna move this down below the variables and have the variables right there. And then we'll do dog so we're gonna have a Hangman game in our Discord if you want to come join the Discord for anybody watching. It's gonna be a community project. It's gonna be awesome. All right, dog API documentation. If I need multiples, can I do that? Can I get multiple dogs back? By breed, by subbreed, browse breed list, submit your dog, about. Doesn't look like there's a way I can fetch multiple dogs at once. Running AJAX multiple times. Let's see. I guess I'm just gonna throw the AJAX request in my for loop. Yeah, I guess that'll work. Or I could have a separate for loop that runs Ajax. Would that even work? Because you can only make like 7 requests at a time in a browser. So if JavaScript runs all 12 at one time, would all of them get executed, I wonder? Let's find out. So we're gonna throw that in there. We're gonna do let dog src equals blank for now. And then right here, we're gonna set dog src equals to the data message. So that'll be the picture URL, right? And then the src, we will do this, and that'll be dog src. And then if we make level, we'll make that like 4 so we can run it 4 times. All right, now where are my bugs at? Where am I messing up? Data is not defined. All right, did I save? Data shouldn't be in here. Oh, console log data, okay. So that can go away. Run that refreshed automatically. Okay, 404 not found. Okay, so the Ajax request is not working correctly. Why? If we put it outside of the for loop, does it run right? Is it just because it's in a for loop? Oh god. Sometimes I'll go to try and paste something and I accidentally copy again, and it just messes up. All right, so it works outside the for loop. Why is it rendering the template literal as a string? I have to convert that to HTML first? Interesting. And the images have no src. Okay, that's why, because this is, I think the request is firing, and then this is running before we get the request back. So this needs to be in a function. We'll just call it const set up game cards equals arrow function, and then we'll copy the, oh, we just want that, copy that. Put that down below there, and then we will, that should be indented already, and then we'll go ahead and get rid of this white space here, and I actually want a space right there, right? All right, so we got the SRCs that time. Is it the same one every time? Yeah, it should be the same one every time. Okay, so Jaeger 1. It should be the same. Jaeger 1, cool. Now, JavaScript render template literal as HTML. Oh, okay, so we just don't append it. So if we do, if we just get body and then append game container to body, nah, that won't work. We're not gonna do that. That's not gonna look pretty, because what if that's just not a good way to do it. we need a variable here that's gonna hold all the game cards, and then we'll just throw that variable in once we get all the game cards built. So we'll do const, we'll just do game cards is gonna be empty. Just make it a string. And then we'll do game cards dot append that. And then after the for loop's done, which actually that needs to be unindented, and then this whole thing needs to be indented. There we go. Now it looks readable. And then right here, we will go ahead and do game container of dot, was it inner HTML? Equals game cards. That's not gonna work. Something's wrong there. Game cards dot append is not a function. My variable, because it's not an array. Now does it work? No. Let's see. One. Yeah, we can use map, huh? No, maybe not. Okay, yeah, we can use map. So instead of, okay, so we're gonna have to run the AJAX request like 12 times, yeah? So if we store the URLs we get back from the AJAX request inside a variable, and then after so we can do game cards plus equals template literal. Oh, that works. Unexpected token, because we didn't remove that part. Do I still need, I don't need. Game cards plus equals template literal. I need to store the template literal as a variable, huh? So we'll do card equals that. And then we'll do game cards plus equals card. Do I need to put parentheses around this since it's like a template literal? Does that work? I think that works, huh? All right. Uncut reference game cards is not defined because I didn't capitalize cards. Camel case, come on. And we're just gonna copy that, put that right there. SWN, no. Assignment to constant variable. Let. Now we have, okay, so 4, so we're not, nice, Marie. Community coding, what's up? All right, so it's not getting the SRC, yeah? Oh, I'm not closing the, that. Okay, that's what's messing up. All right, cool. So we got 4 dogs showing now. Nice, nice work. All right. So, how are we gonna get this to go we need to use each dog image twice. So I think the best way, the best way would have the URLs stored in an array, and then after all the AJAX requests are done, we'll do a for loop where we make 2 cards for each URL. So we'll do let dog image srcs equal a blank array. And then I don't think this is gonna work right, because when we did the for loop before, when we stuck that in the for loop, it didn't work, did it? Cut that out, paste it there. Okay, now it still works. Interesting. It doesn't work. There's no errors though. The JavaScript didn't run, because that's still there, and that should be replaced if it ran, huh? So I need to find the best way to run an AJAX request multiple times. Why is the AJAX inquiry click event firing multiple times? Prevent, I want it to fire multiple times. Does it usually fire multiple times? People are having problems where it's firing multiple times. Multiple simultaneous AJAX requests. Let's see. I think I can use this, huh? Or defer another way. I can just use done and call the what is when? Deferred objects. Because that's what I need. I need to be able to make the AJAX requests, and then I need to call this function when they're done. Asset features function proceed. So what's going on right here? Let's see. Okay, I just put the URL right there. Let's just try copying this and see what we can get done. So we're gonna copy that out for a sec. And then we still need this. Just gonna put it right here. Get script. What does this do? Get the JS. Why do we need to get the script? What does that even do? I don't know what that does. jQuery get script. Load a JavaScript file from a server using, okay, I don't need to load a JavaScript file from a server, so I can get rid of that part. So this should make 2 AJAX requests for us. And then we don't need this part, we just need to call our function here, right? So set up game cards. And then that's gonna be data and then we'll use that, right? Does this work? No. Okay. This is a very helpful error message. Not really. It's not a helpful error message. Get the HTML, so I don't need that comment or that. Win. I need to look at what win does exactly, because I'm not sure. jQuery. Provides a way to execute callback functions based on 0 or more thenibles. Usually deferred objects to represent asynchronous events. Okay. When, then, so that makes sense. If I, why is there a comma after that? Okay, still doesn't work. If we comment out this one, it works? No, it does not work. As you can see, I'm kind of weak in this area. How to run an AJAX request multiple times. jQuery. Why is this flying multiple times? Maybe this can help me out. Everything's about AJAX firing multiple times, which is what I'm trying to get it to do. Let's make sure this is like running. Why is this going to consolidated HTML forms? Console log hi or hit, whatever. Okay, so that ran. So if we console log dog src here, is that blank? It's not blank. There is a URL. We're not calling the function. Oh my gosh. God dang it. Oh, I hate noob mistakes. I can't believe I did that. All right, so now when we uncomment this one though, it breaks, right? Yeah, so why does that break? Is the API just not letting me make multiple requests that fast from like the same URL or something, I wonder? Huh. Also, I don't think I need this anymore, huh? Pretty sure I can delete that. Maybe. What does this give me? Are those filled in with different dog images if we request that? What are all the endpoints here? Breed, list all, random image. Multiple random images? Are you kidding me? I can do that? What? Ugh! Where was this like 30 minutes ago? Literally. All right, so now all I don't even need this anymore, right? I can just uncomment this, use this, and then put freaking 12 at the end. And then it'll give me 12 dog SRCs, right? Can I do this? Okay, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Does it work with just one? It does work with just one. Am I not calling that correctly? Let's just try this. Because maybe there's something different in the URL here, right? No, it's just the 3. All right. Why is it breaking when I try to request 12? Or even 3? Does that part not work? Am I not, let's see. Max number returned is 50, so we can definitely get more than the 3. 4. Copy link address, go to that. It's not found. Because that's multiple dogs. Oh, okay, so that, I think that's coming from right there. Gotcha. Okay, so when it appends it, it's not separate. So let's stop that for a sec and then just console log dog src right here, right? And that should give us 3 URLs, okay? So in our for loop, we're not incrementing that. We just need this to be I. Undefined is not, what undefined part? 0, where's level is 4 and there's only 4. So this needs to be, we delete that and we'll do plus level, and that should add the number on the end, right? So now we should get back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, cool. And then in our, if we do this, we get 4 different dogs. What's up? We got this. It's ridiculous how much satisfaction I get from small things like that. Like I made this React Weather API, and all it does right now is you put in your zip code and it gives you the city and what the current weather is. But getting that down, getting that right, and like making it work, just gives you the best feeling in the world. All right, so now what we need to do, so we're adding the game cards to card. We need to add that twice, right? So if we just run this twice, there we go. Now you got 2 of every dog. Now to make them not appear in order, we can, when we render it right here, I can do like a for loop, I can do a for loop with the random number generator to grab a random game card. I think, right? Round 1. All right, we need to make this look a little better. We're gonna take a break from the JavaScript part and make the CSS look better. So this thing, max height 200 pixels, max width 200 pixels, object fit cover. Why is this thing's width overflowing? Oh, that's not, we don't need the object fit on that. We need it on this right here. So we do object fit. Is that bigger? Ah, interesting. Why is this not forced to be the same size? I guess if we just put that, we take it off there, put it on image. There we go. That'll work. And now, so that'll be in the game container. We'll do image that. So now all our dog pictures are an appropriate size. Actually, we need to do min height, the same thing, right? Because pictures might come in that are different dimensions. Min. Actually, why am I not just doing like height and width? That. Start. Start. All right, there we go. Now some of them are distorted, and to fix that, we can just do object fit cover. There we go. Now it'll like spread it out, or like make it not distorted. All right. Now we need them to be in a flex container, pretty much. So game container. Display flex. Justify content, space between, space, I'll do space around. Align item center, no, we don't, I mean, that doesn't even matter, right? We need flex wrap. Because when we start calling it, when we start trying to generate 18 pictures, that's when it'll look weird. So we need game container to do that, except we don't want that because we want the display to be none until we edit that with JavaScript. So right here we need this to be flex. Boom, there we go. Now let's go ahead and change level to 12 and see how long this request takes. So actually, yeah, that should be instant because right now it's loading the Ajax request before we even get to this page. Okay, so space around isn't what we want, right? Space evenly, space between, hold on. We need to make this grid even, right? So my first instinct is to set a max, is to set percentage width on each image container, because then we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each one, right? So what is that? 100 divided by 6 is, well, that's not a, the blood of sanctum. All right, I hate when it doesn't give me the math answer. 6, 12, 18. What's 18 divided by 18 divided by 4? No, 18 divided by 6 is the only one that works, huh? 18's only, wait, I guess it can do 3 too, right? Actually, 4, 8, 12, yeah, that'll still give us leftover cards. Man, we gotta do 6 on each row, okay. Actually, with game container, we can do max width will be like 1300 pixels. Yeah. Margin auto. There we go. Why is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 6, 12, 18, 24. Why is it giving me 24? Because before we had 18, and half of 18 is 9, not 12, which is what we're using for the level here. So that needs to be that. And then here, we'll go, where's the stuff we changed? Ah, I didn't save it, dang it. All right, so we want the game container, max width to be 1300 pixels, margin auto, margin top. We'll do like 50 pixels, yeah, that looks good, cool. And then I want this to be actually like 80%, Yeah, we'll do that. And that was on game container, right? Yeah. Cool. I might go like 3 more minutes and then get off because I have to meal prep stuff for the week. And then I might come back like later tonight and finish this. Also, I've got to make another video too. I'm going to talk about the one thing you need to know if you want to become, actually, I haven't decided what the title is going to be yet, but something like that. The one thing you need to know if you want to become a dev. Yeah, so we need to set max like a width of on these of, we'll do height auto, and then width will be, if we want 6 on each one, I need to know 6, like 100, I need that as a percent. Where's my calculator? 100, nope, we need 6 divided by 100, right? So 0.06. It's like 18%. Wow. Width is going to be 100%. And then on the actual container here, then it'll be 18%. No, that's not quite right. So let's go down to 15, 14. We need a game container div. Actually, we can. I keep putting it on the other screen and you guys can't see what I'm doing. Sorry, guys. %? That's it? That'll work. All right, so now we need margin bottom. Why is the back? Oh, because we're not doing, we need to do direct child, otherwise it'll select all the divs. There we go. 1. Huh. Yeah, I want the dogs to be centered, so we're just gonna do text align center. Come on, select right there. All right, that'll work. We'll do margin bottom. What, like 25 pixels? That'll work. That didn't quite look right, but it keeps it on one screen. I mean, it keeps it on the. It's all on my screen. That's what I'm trying to say. So all we have left to do, we're gonna leave ourselves some notes here because I'm about to stop for a little bit. We need to randomize cards, make front of cards, make cards flip on click, add ID, wait, add to same cards. So we need to add a class to the cards. So if you click on one card and then another card and it's the same, we need to be able to recognize that. We need to make the score functionality, make timer functionality, and we need to make game over conditions. Anything else? Are we gonna make this responsive? Probably not. No. Not thinking. Probably not gonna be responsive. Not at first, at least. I might let somebody from the community fix this if they want to. And make it responsive. That'd be kind of cool. Alright, so I think that's it for now. Go ahead and save that. And I will see you guys later. Peace. Oh yeah, if you want to come join the Discord, there's a Discord link in the description of this live stream. If you want to come, I do resume reviews. If you want to send me your resume, my email's in the description. I do monthly projects like this once a month. I'll give you an XD file. So if you want the new one, come join the Discord. I'm about to take down the monthly memory game XD file and put up the next one. So yeah, if you have any questions though, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Peace. See you guys. Peace. Oh yeah, if you want to come join the Discord, which one do I turn off first? Do I stop my OBS stream or do I stop the YouTube live stream? Because there's latency, so if I hit in stream on YouTube, does it keep going until I was done talking? I'm about to take down the monthly memory game XD file and put up the next one. So yeah, if you have any questions though, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Peace.